So today I want to explain about this language in very simple way. And before explaining my topic, I am asking you one question. How did you learn your mother tongue when you have started walking on this planet? How did you learn things? So my answer will be very simple. Yes, you have applied two methods, listening and speaking. Now, why I am explaining this thing to you? It is because today so many people apply so many methods. They keep putting pressure on themselves, and because of this reason, what happens? So many people get confused. They are stay entangled in the same thing. Yes, every day they write sentences. Some days they try to mug up vocabulary, and sometimes what's happened, they keep changing the methods of learning this language every day. Yes, so my opinion is very simple. If you have to learn any language, you have to do same thing again and again, and that is speaking and listening. It is okay if you don't try to write sentence or vocabulary, but it is not okay if you don't practice every single day. I mean, if you don't stay consistent. Majority of time I have illustrated you, I have explained you in language learning consistency matter a lot. If you are not stay consistent on this learning journey, you will not see the improvements, and you will stay stuck in the same thing. Like if you fumble, whenever you try to speak with people, you will always fumble, you will go blank. Yeah, so my opinion is very simple. Yes, it is a piece of cake. Everybody can comprehend my message. That is, listen every day. At least you could listen 10 minutes, 30 minutes. This thing completely depends on your time. How much leisure time do you get throughout the day? Yes, and don't break this chain. Every day listen 10 minutes if you listen every day 10 minutes, and speak 30 minutes if you are able to speak 30 minutes. Don't break this chain, and after 5 to 6 months, even 1 year, you will change a great change in your speaking. Yes, in your English. Yeah, so once again I am telling you why I have explained this simple thing, because these two things are very common. The reason so many things are confused when it's come to learn English. Yes, so if you are unable to understand which method you should apply, just follow these two things, listening and practice. And if it is possible, if you had more free time, you can do imitation practice. Imitation help us too much to understand this language. Yeah, it's train our mouth, because writing, if you are write something, it can store in your mind. It can never train your mouth. To train your mouth, you have to speak. Yes, and you have to also listen. Yeah, so this was my message for you, yaar. And today it is cloudy, and because of this I will not be able to give you any more message. So this was my message for you, and learn this language happily. Don't be upset, and stay consistent. One day definitely you will see a drastic change in your language. Bye.